So unknown to me, this mall has two Dillards. This is the woman's store. We're coming. Here's a director of this one. Yeah, this is the woman's store. The other one was the men's, children, and home store. I didn't know that there were two until I looked at the map. Looks to be a similar elevator. The escalators are identical. That sounded different though. Burned out. Similar. This one has a fan. Buttons are on this side. Same exact button panel. This is different though. Get a cab view. It smells like hydraulic oil. A little bit nicer. The floor has been replaced. Little nicer. I say that very slow. Very, just barely. Wow, it's slow. Very slow, as a matter of fact. Go to 2. This again does not have an entrance to the mall on the first floor. Door sounds a little ill. Maybe Kone. I'm gonna go with Kone. 3,500 pounds. Different motor pitch though than the other one. It's a higher motor pitch. So that's interesting to know. There's no certificate. I think Ohio's rules might be different. Button went out. A little nicer than the other one, just barely. The fan being off would be nice. Where's the button? Nope. That is not. Oh, it's GAL equipment. That's interesting. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.